Hi guys, comment nous est? C'est Daphné. Jeudi, nous allons parler créole avec moi-même, avec Taylor. Okay? So, je vais demander Taylor quelques questions. Taylor peut répondre moi. You ready? Taylor, how do you say good morning?
Bonjour.
Okay. How do you say sit down?
Chita.
Okay. How do you say food? Tell you? Do? Manger.
Manger.
How do you say turn around?
Ici? Oh, manger.
No. Vi.
Le.
Virer. Say virer.
Vivre.
Okay, one more. How do you say walk? Walk. Taylor, walk further. Taylor, go. Can you walk, please? Walk up. How do I say it? I always say it to you. Toujours do. Taylor, walk, please. Come on, walk, Taylor.
Marcher.
Marcher. Okay, one more. How do you say sleep? How do you say sleep? Dormir. How do you say thank you?
Thank you.
Merci.
Merci.
How
Merci.
say merci?
Merci.
All right, bye. Bye, guys.